Welcome to the EV Zone YouTube channel. Every week, the EV world charges ahead with game-changing innovations and surprising developments. And this week, EV news is a very interesting one. As promised to bring you EV latest news as they break, we're bringing you the latest EV news this week, including a surprising partnership between LG and Microsoft that could transform how we use our cars. In this video, we will cover the following 5 topics. 1. The partnership between Microsoft and LG for in-car gaming. 2. How Xbox cloud gaming will be integrated into vehicles. 3. Which EV brands are expected to get the feature first. 4. Why automakers are pushing entertainment in EVs. 5. What this could mean for the future of in-car experiences. If this sounds good and it's something you'd want to watch, stick around as we break the news. With that said, let's dive in. Video disclaimer. First things first, before we dive into the Microsoft LG Xbox partnership, please note that this video is presented purely as an EV advancement news update. The images shown are for illustrative purposes only and have no affiliation with the company or the brand. I'm simply sharing exciting developments in the EV industry. For more details about this partnership, please visit the news source or the official website, news source, The Verge. Section 1. The partnership between Microsoft and LG for in-car gaming. Microsoft has teamed up with LG to bring Xbox cloud gaming directly into vehicles, marking a significant shift in how we think about in-car technology. The deal involves LG's automotive content platform, which will integrate Xbox's cloud-based streaming service into select EV models. This means drivers and passengers won't need a console or discs, just a screen and a controller to access hundreds of Xbox games on the go. Section 2. How Xbox cloud gaming will be integrated into vehicles. The system relies on cloud streaming, which means the heavy processing is done remotely and not on the car's hardware. All that's needed is a stable internet connection. Passengers will be able to launch games from the car's infotainment system, pair a controller, and start playing instantly. This is similar to how Xbox cloud gaming works on smart TVs, tablets, and phones. Only now it's moving into the car environment. Importantly, Microsoft confirmed that safety measures will restrict gameplay to passengers only, ensuring drivers aren't distracted. Section 3. Which EV brands are expected to get the feature first? The rollout will begin with select Kia EVs in Europe, as Kia has already partnered with LG's in-car platform. More automakers are expected to follow, especially those already collaborating with LG on infotainment systems such as Hyundai and General Motors. While the first wave is targeting Europe, industry experts suggest it's only a matter of time before Xbox gaming expands to US and Asian markets, potentially becoming a standard feature in premium EVs. Section 4. Why automakers are pushing entertainment in EVs. This move highlights a bigger trend in the EV world. Cars are no longer just vehicles, they're becoming entertainment hubs. Because EVs often require charging stops, automakers are looking for ways to keep drivers and passengers engaged during downtime. Features like Netflix, streaming, in-car karaoke, and now Xbox gaming are part of this strategy. For families and younger buyers, these features can be a deciding factor when choosing between 2 EV models. Automakers see in-car entertainment not as a gimmick but as a competitive advantage. Section 5. What this could mean for the future of in-car experiences. If successful, this partnership could open the floodgates to even more integrations. Imagine cars offering full gaming setups, AR-based navigation overlays, or interactive entertainment during autonomous driving. With cloud platforms evolving rapidly, the line between home entertainment and in-car entertainment is blurring. For Microsoft, it's a way to expand the Xbox ecosystem beyond traditional living rooms. For EV makers, it's a way to differentiate their products in an increasingly crowded market. Your thoughts? Would you use Xbox Cloud Gaming in your EV, or do you think it's just a flashy gimmick? Do features like this influence your decision to buy a particular EV? Some drivers might see this as the next big thing, a way to make charging downtime more enjoyable and to keep passengers entertained on long road trips. Others may wonder if automakers are focusing too much on fun extras instead of solving core issues like charging infrastructure and affordability. So what's your take? Do features like in-car gaming make EVs more appealing to you? Or do you think they're just distractions that won't really change buyer decisions? Share your perspective in the comments below. Your opinion matters and helps us understand whether these new partnerships are truly what EV buyers want or just marketing hype. What's next? As EVs become smarter and more connected, we can expect even more creative partnerships between tech giants and automakers. But this raises an important question. Are cars slowly becoming extensions of our living rooms? If entertainment keeps growing, we might see EVs designed as full-on digital spaces, especially as autonomous driving develops. Imagine a future where your EV isn't just a vehicle, but also your gaming console, movie theater, or even your office on wheels. Partnerships like the one between LG and Microsoft are just the beginning of that transformation. The bigger question for automakers is whether these features will tip the scales in the EV adoption race, especially for younger buyers who see cars as lifestyle hubs, not just transport. We'll continue following this story and bring you updates on how the tech and auto worlds are colliding. Whether it's new gaming integrations, entertainment upgrades, or even AI-driven personalization in EVs, we'll cover it here. This is the EV Zone, where we break it all down for you. No fluff, no hype, just the facts that matter. So, what do you think of this video? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments section below. At EV Zone, we believe open discussions can lead to great discoveries. Here we consider both sides of the coin and welcome all viewpoints to explore new possibilities. In the journey to accelerate EV innovation, adoption, and a greener world, we encourage our audience to join in and share their ideas. Each of us has unique creative contributions to offer, so if you have something to share, reach out to us and we'll create a video to share it with our audience. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of EVs. Whether you're an enthusiast or simply curious about the future of transportation, stay tuned for more exciting content on EV Zone. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to support our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.